color perception and challenge your ability to distinguish between shades that are incredibly close to one another. Stage 2 is a bit trickier. Here, the colors are closer together, making the difference harder to spot. This stage tests your attention to detail and your ability to notice subtle variations. The colors are closer together, making the difference harder to spot. You might find yourself second-guessing your choices, but trust your instincts and take your time. Only about half the people who try this stage get it right. It's a true test of your visual acuity and patience. Don't be discouraged if you find it challenging, it's all part of the process. Stage 3 is where things get really interesting. The colors are so similar that it takes a very sharp eye to see the difference. This stage pushes your perception to its limits. The colors are so similar that it takes a very sharp eye to see the difference. You might need to look at the colors from different angles or under different lighting to catch the subtle distinctions. Only about 30% of people can do it. This stage is not just about seeing the colors, but also about understanding the context in which they appear. How are you doing so far? Still feeling confident? Excellent. Remember, this is a journey to sharpen your eye and enhance your perception skills. Let's see if you have what it takes to conquer the final stage. Stay focused, trust your vision, and let's move forward to the ultimate challenge. Section 5. Are you a super seer? This is it, the final stage. You've made it through the previous sections, and now it's time to put your color vision to the ultimate test. This one is incredibly difficult. The colors are so close in shade that even the slightest difference can be hard to spot. The colors look almost identical. It's a real challenge to distinguish between them, and it requires a keen eye. Only a small number of people, about 8%, can spot the difference. This elite group has an extraordinary ability to perceive subtle variations in color. If you can see the difference, you have exceptional color vision. This means your eyes are more sensitive to color variations than most people. You might even be what's called a tetrachromat, someone with 4 types of cone cells in their eyes instead of the usual 3. Tetrachromats can see millions more colors than the average person. This rare ability allows them to experience the world in a way that most of us can only imagine. How did you do? No matter your score, this test was just a fun way to explore the amazing world of color perception. It's fascinating to see how our eyes and brains work together to interpret the colors around us. Share your results with your friends and see if they can beat your score. It's always interesting to compare and see who has the sharpest eyes. Don't forget to check out our other articles and quizzes for more fascinating facts and challenges. There's always something new to learn and discover about the incredible world of vision and perception.